It's so weird seeing this apart. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Welcome back, everybody. Got my Jeep back. Look how high the river is. That's crazy. Holy cow, it's a tight squeeze through here. Will this fit?
It looks like it, I think. Slow down. Yep, you got.
Are you going to be able to get out again? Oh, we're an inch off that mirror.
Good job, good job.
Are you going to be able to get it out?
Yeah.
There's my Jeep. All fixed. You never even noticed the body lift. We did a frame repair on it. Took it over to Taunton. Just had a little panic attack. Do I have my keys? Alright, here it is. That OHandleys do it. Hey, we got the Jeep. Gotta go thread the needle here. Should be easier in this. Good grief. Oh yeah, we got plenty of room on this one. I checked all the lights, they work. We are good to go. Ah, the steering wheel's straight now too. That wasn't straight before. Nice. No clunks. No rattles. Wow, it's like a brand new Jeep. I don't see any. Oh, maybe this was capped. Looks like there might have been capped there. You sprayed everything with lanolin oil. I think he said it was lanolin oil. And this is the wool wax.
Yeah, it's real nasty when it first comes on.
Are you going to do this for me too?
That's because she got a 2.5-inch lift kit.
Yeah. I'm going, I think mine's a 3.
Oh, really?
I think I've got one sitting on the ground out there. I'm going to put it in eventually.
Yeah. If,
but you're going to replace this piece anyway.
Yeah.
So my bolts are going to come out.
Yeah.
All right.
Replaced with brand new bolts. And then they give you this little piece up here. And this just re-supports the lower control arm to the frame. It's just like a little extra piece they give you. You do it on the outside and on the inside.
Okay, I take back what I said about the steering wheel being straight. They must have put it back right where it was. And that river is freaking high. Check engine lights on. We don't know what that is all about. So far, we're doing all right. There might be a repair there, but I'm not sure. And of course, driving it today, this brake locked up again. It's really making me mad. Because it locked up and it was on fire when I got home. I put it out with the hose. Look at this. Look at the spray job that they did on here. All right, let's check out the bad side. Okay, we got body lift on, and we got this was replaced. I guess the other side was replaced. Can't really see it with the shiny goo on it, but a weld there. This was busted off, so it was welded all the way up into there. Looks like you replaced this piece too. Not bad. Not bad. I can see the seam at the top on this one. So we got that all straightened out. Okay, so the $2,500 Jeep just turned into a $5,000 Jeep. That stuff is slippery to stand on. I don't see any cracks in that wheel. I can't. This is the one that got hot. This must have happened today. Look at that. Well, we're going to have to keep an eye on that. Tires are almost bald anyway. Time for new wheels and tires. Yeah, it got all squishy when I pulled in the driveway, and then I smelled it. I'm like, yep. And then I saw the smoke. I think I can still smell it. Done at OHandley's in Taunton, Massachusetts. If you want to take your Jeep someplace to get work done to it, that's the place to go. No, I'm not being paid to say it. So anybody's got that in their head. I paid for this. I paid cash to have that work done. I'm not beholden to anybody. So when I say that they did a good job, they did a good job.